The news in detail. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong informed that he received information at around 1:30 p.m. on Tuesday that the two church leaders were detained by some people at a place some 40 kilometers from Patna. Tinsong said that as soon as the government received this information, it immediately contacted authorities in Patna, wherein the State Director General of Police spoke to his Bihar counterpart and also to the Superintendent of Police to get the exact details of the incident. He informed that Chief Secretary D.P. Walang also spoke to his counterpart in Bihar. He also said that what had happened was that there was only a small misunderstanding. The issue has been resolved. Tinsong said that he felt compelled to clarify the matter to avoid the spread of fake news and panic on social media and any resulting misunderstanding and inter-religious tension among communities. He also urged those trying to spread misinformation to refrain from doing so.
Because, this may lead to communal tension here in Meghalaya and especially in Shillong city. So I would like to request all those concerned who spread this social media kindly refrain from it, and government has taken serious note on this, and we have already talked DGP, Chief Secretary, we were in touch. So everything is fine. There is nothing to worry about it. And as I said to you, both of them, they are returning back tonight.
UDP leader and cabinet